Hi guys, welcome to Food Menus channel. Today my recipe potato peas pulao. I am doing this recipe in bronze vessel. If you don't have bronze vessel, you can use any bottom thick vessel or any cooker. Now take whole garam masala, bay leaf and cinnamon, cloves, black cardamom, green cardamom, stone flower, pepper, anise flower and cumin. I give all the ingredients on the screen. Please take from the screen. Now sliced 4 onions and 250 grams of potato and 3 medium sized tomato, 1 cup of green peas and 1.5 teaspoon of biryani masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of salt and 2 slitted green chili and water. Now I already soaked 2 cups of basmati rice. I washed and soaked 15 minutes back. Now take a kadai and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Any oil you can use and add potato pieces. If you fry this potato, our biryani will come very tasty. Meantime, mix potatoes and take a bronze vessel or any vessel and add 2 teaspoons of ghee and add whole garam masala. Fry 1 minute only, otherwise it will be changed to black color, and add sliced onion. Stir continuously until onion color transfer to transparent color. Meantime, stir potato also, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it until raw smell goes away. Then add tomato. You can chop tomato or you can add big pieces and add turmeric powder, chili powder, biryani masala and salt. Stir 1 or 2 minutes. These masalas will fry on the oil along with ginger garlic and onion tomato. It's very easy. If you have any relatives or friends or guests at your home, you can do this simple and very tasty pulao. Now I am going to add green peas and green chili. Mix well. Stir 1 or 2 minutes. Fry potatoes until crispy. Now it turned to red color. Now add to our biryani vessel. Pulao vessel. Now add soaked rice. Remove water and only add rice now. Mix well. All masalas will apply to rice. Now add, I took 2 cups of rice here, basmati rice. For basmati rice, we can use 4 cups of water. It is perfectly cooked on the open vessel. Now mix well. Then close with lid. Now going to preparing raita for this pulao. Take few leaves of mint leaves add spring onion, 1 green chili, 1 cup of curd, grind it. Then add 1 cup of chopped onion and a few coriander leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Then mix and keep aside. Raita is ready. Now almost done. This pulao. See, beautiful pulao is ready within 15 to 20 minutes. It will take time to cook to 10 to 12 minutes only. Then take a cinnamon stick or any coal and place a small vessel on the top of pulao. Then put the cinnamon stick. Then add few drops of ghee. Then immediately close with lid. My darling Minu just now woke up, but now still now sleeping mode. After 10 minutes, very good aromatic smell. You can smell that cinnamon flavor. Now serve with raita. No need other dishes to relatives or friends or any guests, or you can use this for any small kitty parties. It will take time consuming, very less. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. See, under the vessel there is not sticky. Thanks for watching.